Hey guys, welcome back to LS Tech. It's your boy Lucky, and today I've got a smartphone from this company called UMIDIGI. That's pronounced properly. I've tried a few of their phones in the past and they are really great. And for the prices, they are amazing. So this is the newest one, UMIDIGI, if that's pronounced correctly, but it's their One Max. I'm just going to call it One Max. But this one retails for £175, guys. I'll leave a link in the description if you do want to check it out. It comes in two different colors. So you've got a black version, carbon fuel, and you've got this Twilight, which is really amazing. But this Twilight is different to the other Twilights they've done. But yeah, guys, this is the box itself. As you can see, got the name there. So let's peel that off. The name is there, UMIDIGI. Hopefully that's pronounced correctly. And the back we've got the spec details, so if you want to read through that you can do that. But it's got a MediaTek processor, a quad-core processor. We've got 4 gigs of RAM with 128 gigabytes of storage. It's running Android 8.1, and we've got a 1450 milliamp hour battery, and we've got a HD, not full HD but HD plus screen, and we've got a 12 and 5 megapixel rear camera with 60 megapixel front facing camera, which is all decent. So let's open this up, and we've got a link to the world message here. So let's open this up, and we've got some documentary and a SIM tool to insert your SIM. So you can use dual SIM or you can use a single SIM with a SD card slot. So let's take the phone out and see what else we get. We've got a thank you message, so that's really nice, and just some links to their social media page if you want to check that out. Oh, I've got a EU power brick, so I'm not going to be using this, but this is a fast charging actually. It is a 12 watt power brick, so that is really nice, and is standard USB, but the benefit should be USB-C because we've got fast charging, which is really nice. And you've got this red cable like OnePlus. So as you can see, we've got a case included, which is always nice of them. Let's take this case off. This case is on properly tight. If not, it's just me that can't take a phone case off. So the phone case off, and we've got a screen protector. You see we've got wireless charging and fast charging, so that's really great. So let's peel off the front screen protector. That is decently applied, but yeah, it's nice of them. And let's peel off the back. Just look at that, that is so nice. I've got the Xiaomi here. Let's just have a look at that back. You can see the two different gradients, but they both are really nice. I've got the purple to this blue one, it's got blue to purple, and they're both are nice. At the top you've got a microphone. This side you got your volume up, your power, as well as your fingerprint. So it's just like how Sony does theirs on the side, which is really nice and easy to use. On the bottom you've got your mono speaker, your USB-C for charging, a microphone, and your headphone jack. Yes, you do get a headphone jack, which is really nice. On this side it's just empty, and you've got your SIM tray at the top. And the color is really nice. I'm not sure how well it's getting picked up on camera, guys, but believe me, it is really nice. So let's power this on. So at the front you've got your 60 megapixel camera here. You've got this water drop design on a £175 phone, guys. A water drop design. That is so amazing. So hey guys, we've got a 6.3 inch screen at a HD plus, but it is 720 by 1520, so it's not 1080 but it's 720 plus, which is so decent at this price range. And it's powered by a MediaTek 6763 processor, so that's an 8 core. 4 of them are clocked at 2 GHz and 4 of them are clocked at 1.5 GHz. and it's running Android 8.1 Oreo, which is really nice, and you've got the 4 gigs of RAM with 120 gigabytes of storage, which is always great. So setup is here, so I'm going to speed through the setup, guys, so you don't have to watch, because all of these setups are literally the same. So guys, it's set up now, and if I swipe up, I'll get my app drawer, just the standard Oreo, got my search bar, scroll down and everything. So let's just go to settings, and let's see if we can find system, about phones. So as you can see, it's the One Max, 4 gigs of RAM, 120 gigabyte storage, and it's running Android 8.1, so that's really good. And we've got no bloatware, that is really good. Yes, no bloatware, guys, you just got the standard Google apps, so nothing is pre and loaded, just standard Google. You don't even have Facebook, anything like that, so that's really nice. It's getting some humor. So if I swipe over here, I'm gonna get my Google now, so I can use my OK Google and stuff, so I can type on the microphone and use that. So okay, what's the weather like today?
Today's forecast for Coventry is 4 degrees with rain and snow.
So that works fine, and the volume is only coming from the bottom speaker here, so we can't have stereo, anything like that. Let's just go to YouTube so I can show you the resolution. It only will play back, so that needs update. So let's update that for a bit, and let's just have a look at the camera app. So it's the camera, and it is usable. Yeah, I'm gonna say it's usable, guys. Pictures are decent, but they're not anything amazing. So as you can see, it's picking up all the detail on the headphone there, as you can see. Let's go back and try the other one with the... Nope, that's the wrong way you swipe. So you can see, guys, it is not ultra sharp, but it's a decent job, I would say. But I'm not going to say anything now, guys. I need to do a full test and review. I'll compare it with the Xiaomi phone and the iPhone so you can get a better feel. YouTube is still downloading, so we're going to wait for that to finish up before we go and use that. But let's see what else need updating. So you can see a few updates are, well, quite a lot of apps need updating, so I'm just going to set that to go. And you can see I can download some latest games which I've got on my other phones, so which I can always do that, as well as one we need to do some testing on. But for now, we'll just want to let YouTube finish up. Yeah, YouTube is done now, so let's try some video playback. Swipe up, get to YouTube, and let's just pick one of my videos. And let's go to video quality. As you can see, we only get 720p, so we've got no 1080, but should be decent. But as you can see, it's a mono speaker. There's no speaker on the top, anything like that. So for this price point, would have been nice to see it. Would have been really good, because you've got that water drop notch and it looks so nice, as you can see, guys. So let's just check how well that goes in when you're playing a video. Just mute this. As you can see, guys, it goes full. This is what I like, that it goes full. I've seen other phones that will just cut off, but here it goes full. So if I pick up the Xiaomi phone here, and if you go to YouTube here, go to my channel, pick the same video, skip this ad. Why is it showing ads? Let's just turn the volume down. As you can see, guys, it cuts off here, but with this one it's not doing that. So as you can see, guys, it is not cutting off. This is what I like. I don't know why Xiaomi wouldn't do that. Xiaomi is a really good company, but they've let me down on that side. It would be much nicer to have it like that. So it's the same as iPhone, but I really don't know why Xiaomi didn't do that. But it's really nice that this phone does, and at this price point I'm very happy with that. So let's just use the fingerprint, guys. So let's just wake up the screen with a different finger. Works fine. It's not super fast, but it works, which is good. So as you can see, I've got apps downloading, and but yeah guys, this is just my quick unboxing and first look, and with no doubt the phone looks amazing. The color, it is great, and the water drop notch feature looks so nice, and at this price point I'm just amazed, and that you're getting your views all the way out. It's just really good. So let's see if we can change some wallpapers and get some different colors. Click wallpaper. See, and the colors are they look really good. But guys, I need to do a proper video before I can give you any feedback. But as of now, first unboxing, I am very impressed with it. The water drop looks amazing. Videos are playing back in full, which is what I love. Sad some phones doesn't do that, even though they have the drop here, they won't do it at the top, but this one does that, so that's nice. But yeah guys, I'm going to have a full review on this very soon, so make sure you stick around and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see me some videos on this phone, let me know. If I need to do some sort of special testing, if you are interested in buying this, if you want me to try something out, please let me know. But as of now, I am very impressed with the phone now, and I'm going to have a full video up very soon. So yeah guys, that is just my quick unboxing of the One Max, and I will have a full video up very soon, so make sure you stick around. But thanks for watching the video guys, make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you next one guys. Take care.